We love this. We love this. Collagen is essential to plump, beautiful skin. Hey everyone, I'm David, one of the Sephora beauty directors.
My name is Melinda, also a Sephora beauty director.
And in this video, we're going to be talking about 5 of our top spring beauty picks that are all really affordable because they're all under $30. And it was pretty hard to choose just 5, to be honest with you.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, Sephora collection alone, you could choose so many.
So let's get right into it because I think a lot of you are going to be adding to cart right during this video.
All right, I might have teared up a little bit backstage. I know that sounds dramatic, but I'm serious. This is a brand new brand at Sephora called Give. This is the high performance matte lipstick, and it is by Gwen Stefani, who is basically my icon my whole life. She, growing up in Southern California,
Of course.
She is just such a persona, and she's so well known for her iconic makeup look, her red lip, especially that matte red lip, which I'm wearing it today. It's so pretty. The formula is really comfortable. Her winged liner and this packaging is
So
next level. Like the gothic font she did that she's known for, the beautiful cap, the detail on even the bullet where it kind of goes up. I'm obsessed with the idea of pulling this out of my bag and just, it's so glamorous and gorgeous. $26 for this, like, elevated.
Yeah.
I mean, it's beautiful. And she's done, Gwen isn't new to makeup. She's done a lot of collabs in the past with other brands. I collected all the limited edition releases that she's done in the past. I slowly use it so I don't run out. But she knows what she's doing. This formula is great. It's really comfortable. And
let's get a swatch because I know you're wearing it, but sometimes it's really nice to just see a little swatch of it.
Yeah, let me show you just how quick.
Oh, that's a really nice finish. It looks like a velvety matte, which I love. You can instantly tell when I'm looking at that it's matte, but it's comfortable. As a makeup artist, I can see that there's comfort in that.
It's thin and it flexes with my lips. It never gets stiff. It almost feels like a dry balm.
I love that.
In a way. But yeah, killer. You definitely have to try this one out.
Okay, so the next product we're going to talk about, honestly, I was so blown away when this product launched.
Me too.
It is amazing. This is from Sephora collection. This is the Best Skin Ever Liquid Foundation. And this, they really blew it out of the park on this one. It is such an incredible liquid foundation. And one of the things that I was most impressed about with this formula is the fact that it is imperceptible. It is so skin-like, it is so realistic looking that even when you build it to a medium coverage, you can barely tell you have makeup on, which is at the end of the day, the ideal, right? It's the goal of what you want your foundation to do. So I absolutely love this. Overall, it's just such a great, easy foundation to work with. Like I said, it works on all skin types. You can shear this down, apply with your fingers, and just quickly wisp it over the face and get a really nice sheer coverage. Or you can build it up with a brush to a medium, really nice coverage if you wanted it.
So I feel like springtime, I always think about fragrance. Fragrance is very seasonal to me. I want to switch it up. So this one is from Jo Malone London. It's the Cologne Discovery set. I love these because basically this is under $30 and you're getting 5 different samplers that you can try out, figure out what you like. So going into the new season, if you want to try something floral, these are all florals, which is perfect for spring. But for example, this one's wood, sage, and sea salt. So it's really good for layering. You can kind of ground it a bit and figure out over time what your favorite fragrance is or mix and match them and kind of create your own.
I mean, what I've always loved about Jo Malone is that the fragrances, even if they're floral, the way they mix the scents, they can be both feminine, masculine, basically just universal. Anyone can use them. So it really opens a lot of opportunity for anyone to try out this sampler. And like you said,
I agree.
Mix it up, play with them. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about, this is from the Inky List. This is an incredible serum. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. It's a wonderful hydrating serum. And best of all, this is $7.99. Yes, so just keep that in mind as I tell you all the wonderful attributes of this. Exactly. First of all, this is a multi-weight hyaluronic acid, which means that it's going to hydrate through all the layers of your skin, which is really important so that you're not just hydrating the top layer. You can see how lightweight this is. I mean, it's like watery almost.
Yeah.
So this will work on anyone, dry to even those oily skin people who are nervous about texture. No texture. Incredible product. And again, super affordable.
I mean, ridiculous. So good. So when I think about changing seasons, we always think about, we're changing our foundation wardrobe or we're changing our skincare wardrobe. Hair too. Scalp care has been so buzzy. When you're moving into a different season, your skin kind of changes with you, and the skin on your scalp is just as important as the skin on your face. So this is one of my favorites. It's from Briogeo. It's a stimulating therapy massager. And what's cool, it's like these silicone little tips. So it's like really comfy, and then it has a handle on the other side. You can take this in the shower with you. It's made to like drain the water and stuff. So if you have like a peppermint scalp scrub and you just kind of get in there and it feels so nice. It's good for all hair types. Literally anyone could use this. David could use this if he wanted to.
What you just said sounded so nice. I was like, I just want to go do that right now.
Yeah, it feels so nice. And you can use it out of the shower too. But I just find after a scalp scrub, a little stimulation with this, it's going to leave your skin looking really smooth. Your part's going to look nice. You're not going to have any flaky skin coming off, and just kind of assures me that everything's right up there. So those are our $30 and under spring picks, our must-haves. Let us know in the comments below what's in your basket for this spring. I'm kind of curious. Always want to know. Make sure to like the video to show us some love. Subscribe so you can see more like this, and we'll see you next time. Bye.